Weird. Taho na may avocado. My son is sleeping now. It's midnight and I am craving taho. Lilihi pa rin ata ako. Dami na palang variation ng taho ngayon. Classic flavor. Matcha. Taho na may avocado. Walang sago ito. Ah, meron. Kita niya ba? Wow. Buti na lang open pa sila. Yummy. Tastes exactly like taho. Kung taho lover ka, nag-crave ka ng taho, you'll get taho. Matcha. Pangalan nito? Taho Classico. Medyo skeptical ako kasi taho, tas matcha. Wow. The matcha is very milky. Whoever thought about this, galing ng trip niya. Although I wish may option na no sugar. Avocado taho. Taho in itself is good. Avocado in itself is good. Two of them sounds really weird. Mix, mix, mix. Sobrang bagay. I don't wanna be like yung mga reviewers na ang sarap na ito, hindi masyado matamis. Pero gets nyo, sarap naman ito. Between dito sa dalawa, kung lalagyan naman din ng sweetener, I will go for this. Parang gusto ko nga ipaghalo to lahat eh. Taho craving satisfied. Namiss ko tong cravens. See you guys again on my next cravens.